Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present our mini research. My name is Nurul Kedesham and my partner is Nur Haliza. Today, we would like to present our mini research entitled Code Mixing in Students' Daily Conversation at University. In this presentation, we will discuss the form of code mixing used by students, the reason why students use code mixing, and its function in communication. Let's begin our presentation. Background. Language is an important tool for communication. People use language to express ideas, feelings, opinions, and information. Nowadays, many students can use more than one language. Because of this, they often mix Indonesian and English in their daily conversation. For example, students often say, "Saya sudah submit tugas, besok ada meeting organisasi," or "nanti kita discuss tugas kelompok." This phenomenon is known as code mixing. Code mixing has become very common among students because English is widely used in education, technology, social media, and everyday communication. Therefore, we are interested in analyzing this phenomenon. Research questions. The study focused on the three research questions. The first question is, what form of code mixing are used by students in daily conversation? The second question is, why do students use code mixing when communicating with others? The third question is, what function does code mixing have in students' communication? This question help us understand how and why students mix language in their daily interactions. And next, theory. Before discussing the data, we would like to explain the theory used in this study. Code mixing is a sociolinguistic phenomenon what occurs when a speaker enters word, phrases, or expression from one language into another language. In Indonesian, code mixing often occurs between Indonesian and English. Many students use English word while speaking Indonesian because English has become an important international language. The use of code mixing can be influenced by education, technology, social media, and modern lifestyles. Code mix does not mean that students cannot speak Indonesian properly. Instead, it reflects bilingual language used in modern society. Next method. The study used a descriptive qualitative method. The data were collected from students' daily conversation. We'll select, for example, contain code mixing and analyze them use sociolinguistic theory. The purpose of this analysis is to identify the form of code mixing and understand the reason behind their use. Now, I would like to invite my partner explain the data analysis. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I will explain the first data. The first example is saya sudah submit tugas linguistik. The word submit comes from English in Indonesian. The equivalent word is mengumpulkan. Students often use the word submit when talking about assignment and academic activities. This example shows code mixing because an English word is inserted into an Indonesian sentence. Students use this word because it is commonly used in educational environment and online learning platform. platforms. The second example is besok ada meeting organisasi. The word meeting comes from English in Indonesian. It means rapat. Students often use this word in organizational and academic activities. This word is familiar and widely used, so students feel comfortable using it instead of the Indonesian equivalent. This is another example of code mixing. The third example is nanti kita discuss tugas kelompok. The word discuss comes from English, its Indonesian equivalent is membahas. A student frequently use this word when talking about assignment, project, or academic discussion. The use of the word discuss make communication sound more practical and modern. Therefore, it's considered a form of code mixing. The fourth example is saya sudah download materinya. The word download comes from English in Indonesian. It means mengunduh. Students often use this word because it's related to technology and digital communication. Nowadays, many technological terms are borrowed directly from English. As a result, the word download is more familiar than its Indonesian equivalent. Based on the four examples, we found that students frequently insert English words into Indonesian sentences. There are several reasons why students use code mixing. First, English is widely used in education. Second, students are influenced by social media and the internet. 3. Many technological terms come from English. 4. Some English words are considered shorter, more practical, and easier to understand. Because of their reasons, code mixing has become a common communication habit among students. So, in conclusion, code mixing is commonly used in the student daily conversation. The form of code mixing found in this study include the words submit, meeting, discuss, and download. Students use code mixing because English is widely used in education, technology, and social media. Code mixing also helps students communicate more efficiently in their daily lives. Therefore, code mixing has become a natural part of communication among students in modern society.
Thank you for listening to our presentation. We hope this mini research help you better understand how language is used in everyday communication. Thank you for your attention. Billahi fisabilil haq fastabiqul khairat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.